For question C, we can see that the range of theta is given in degree, therefore final answer is in degree. So copy down this question. So as you can see, this is not in linear form yet, because for linear form, it should look like cos theta equal to k, because this is cos, therefore this is also cos. But here we have 2, so let's bring 2 to the other side. And we'll get cos theta over 3 equal to negative 1 over 4. And this is in linear form. For alpha, copy down everything here except that you're gonna change theta over 3 to become alpha. Now, what about the right hand side? Here we have negative 1 over 4, but don't forget, for step alpha here, it should always be positive. So it is positive 1 over 4. And hence, alpha is cos inverse 1 over 4. So just press down the shift button and the cos button to get cos inverse. Shift, cos, that's your cos inverse, and then we have 1 over 4. So now we get a decimal number. Just to be safe, just take 3 decimal places. So alpha is 75.522 degree. For range, just copy down from our question. It's already in degree. Now let's look at our linear form. Theta should be divided by 3. So here is just theta. So this means that you're gonna divide everything by 3. And hence, we're just gonna consider the answer within 0 degree and 120 degree. Next, for step Q, draw your quadrant and then label A as T and C as per usual. Look at your linear form. Here we can see that cos is a negative value. So the quadrants where cos is negative should be quadrant 2 and quadrant 3, because in quadrant 1, cos is positive, and in quadrant 4, cos is also positive. But in quadrant 2 and in quadrant 3, cos is negative. So draw a straight line in each quadrant and label your alpha. So note that alpha is 75.522. But don't forget about the range of your answer. So the answer should only be between 0 and 120 degree. So 0 degree is here, and 90 degree is here, 180 degree is here. So is 120 here or here? Note that for this straight line, this is 180 minus alpha, which is 104.478. So you should know that 120 degree should be somewhere here, because this is 104 and this is 180. So 120 should be somewhere here. Now A is answer. So let's look back at our linear form. Look here, we have theta over 3. Therefore here should also be theta over 3. Note that theta over 3 should be between 0 degree and 120 degree only. And 120 degree is positive. So this means that it should be anti-clockwise until it reaches 120 degree only. So starting from 0, it goes up until it reaches the first straight line, which is here. And this is theta over 3. And to get this straight line here, this is 180 minus alpha, which is 104.478 degree. Now let's continue. But then it already touches our 120 degree. So we will stop here, and hence we only have one answer. Just make sure your answer, theta over 3, should be within this range, 0 and 120, which is here and here. So now we need to find theta. So times everything by 3. And the answer is 313.434. Don't forget to check your question. Final answer should be in degree, and hence this should be in degree as well. So that's for question C.